Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use task dependencies in Zoho Project. First things first, sign into your Zoho Project account. The reason we do this is simple, to gain access to your projects and tasks. Once you're in, navigate to the Task module. This is where you'll manage all your tasks and set dependencies. Now, let's say you have a new task that's dependent on another task. Here's what you do. Click on Add Task, fill in the details, and save it. The reason we do this is to ensure all tasks are properly accounted for in your project. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a task dependency. Click on the task you just added, and then click on the Dependency tab. This is where you set the task dependencies. In the Dependency tab, click on Add Dependency, then select the task it's dependent on. It's vital to do this because it helps you to streamline your workflow and ensure that tasks are done in the correct order. Next up, choose the type of dependency. Zoho Project offers 4 types: Finish to Start FS, Start to Start SS, Finish to Finish FF, and Start to Finish SF. Each type helps you control the start or finish date of your tasks based on the completion of other tasks. Choose the one that fits your need. After setting the dependency type, save your changes. This helps us because it locks in the dependency and ensures that your project will follow the correct sequence of tasks. Let me explain why this matters. Task dependencies are crucial in project management. They prevent tasks from being started or finished at the wrong time, ensuring your project runs smoothly. Now, let's see the magic happen. Go back to your task list, and you'll see an arrow connecting the 2 tasks. This shows that a dependency has been set. If you hover over the arrow, you'll see details of the dependency you just created. This way, you can always keep track of your tasks and their dependencies. And there you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide on how to use task dependencies in Zoho Project. By using task dependencies, you can structure your tasks efficiently, ensuring a smooth workflow for your project. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more. Until then, happy project managing.